Hi, this is Binu Joseph from Inditrade. The SENSEX rallied more than 1000 points in last 3 trading days, mainly due to 3 reasons. First one, the appointment of the new RBI Governor. The FII purchases in the last 2 trading days have also lifted the sentiment. And finally, last week, the government has done well in terms of legislative action during the monsoon session of Parliament. This week, the data to watch are July IIP data and the consumer price index data, which will be out on Thursday. Lower IIP data has already been discounted by the market. But if consumer inflation numbers are higher than expected, then markets could take it negatively ahead of RBI's next policy review on September 20th. There are expectations that the government will also come out with some fiscal reforms soon. There are speculations that soon a hike in diesel prices, and if it does not go through, then it may put some pressure. The US Senate this week will debate and decide whether to authorize an attack on Syria. At Group 20 summit in Russia, world leaders were divided over whether to support military strikes in Syria. Obama addressing the American public on Tuesday evening ahead of an expected full Senate vote. Every poll shows it would be very difficult for Obama to get Senate authorization. The latest comments from US Secretary of State has appeared to open the door to diplomatic solution for Syria. This could improve the equity market sentiments, especially in India, as a war would drive up oil prices. If it doesn't bomb Syria, the next concern is about US Fed tapering. A section of market believes that there could be delay likely since the latest US employment data is weak. The number of workers who said they lost their job in August was the highest in nearly 3 years. But 1 month's job data won't make or break Fed policy. So global markets will closely watch the US Fed policy, which is on September 17th to 18th. The Asian markets up for the 9th day at the beginning of this week on strong data from China. So towards the weekend, this consumer inflation, IIP data and US Senate decision could create major movements in market. Technically, Nifty formed a bottom around 5,320 last week and rallied 350 points from there. It has got multiple support around 5,300 levels in the past. After 3 months of trading in this channel, the index finally broke out of the descending channel last week. The target for the breakout is 260 points, which comes around a target of 5,770. When it moves above 5,770, some of the technical indicators gives cautious signal. The RSI is now touched the upper line of Bollinger Bands, and in the past cases it corrected after touching the upper Bollinger Band. Similarly, the slow stochastic also indicate an overbought condition. Even if the global markets rally, around 5,888, Nifty could face strong resistance. On the other hand, if Syrian issues tend to a war-like situation, the index might fill the last week's gap formation and the first support is at 5455. The major support is at 5306 level. Thank you for watching the video. Disclaimer.